ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me Babylon. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep.
Hi everyone! Welcome po sa inyong almost personal reading. So I want you to know that this is a general reading. So you may resonate po sa buong reading na ito or baka konti lamang. Take what's only yours. I also want you to know that this is a timeless reading. So whenever you find a video, the message is meant to find you. Your first card is the King of Swords, the King of Wands, and the Knight of Pentacles. So bakit parang may pagtitinginan lang? What I mean pagtitinginan is literal. Nagtitinginan lang. Kumbaga sa, alam mo yung mga western saloon, no? Yung parang duelo. Nagaganyan lang kayo ng mga barel, pero wala namang bumubunot. Not actually para magkasakitan, but this is para magkaroon ng a bridge kung ano ba itong nangyayari sa dynamic ninyo. Kasi ang nakikita natin dito, ano to, puro pa-tweetums lang and wala namang nangyayari sa actual connection ninyo. Your cards are the King of Swords, the King of Wands, and the Knight of Pentacles. Parang meron din ditong naiinip. Yung isa wanting to actually ask, no? Pero yung isa more of I'm showing. So isa showing, isa verbal. Pwede rin ito sa LGBTQIA+ na relationship. With the Knight of Pentacles clarified with the Two of Swords and the Ace of Swords. Ay. So, sayang, agad-agad. Kasi wala pang nangyayari. Either nahinto na, nagkaroon ng pause, hindi na dire-diretso, parang hindi man lang ito tumawid, no? Sa pagkakaroon ng kayo. Hindi man lang siya napunta doon sa new beginnings. Hindi man lang siya nabigyan ng chance. Kumbaga parang may nagtanim. Diniligan, pinaarawan, nilagyan pa ng fertilizer, no? And then sabay binungkal. Sayang. Nag-effort na. The Two of Wands, the Ace of Wands, and the Eight of Wands. So, eto na. Parang feeling ko, kung wala dito na naaamin, no? That I feel something for or to make the dynamic clear, parang doon ito mapupunta. Siguro as of the moment, pwedeng may kaunti pang pag-asa. Pero if in case parang hindi ito doon tatalon, kasi parang meron dito nagsasabi na baka ang gusto lang yata nito is makaisa sa akin. Makasex ako, yung ganyan, no? So parang hindi ko din ibibigay sa kanya. Hindi ko, kumbaga mawawala kasi for me mawawala, baka mas lalo akong iwan, mas lalo mawala yung interest. At the end of the day, ako yung talo. So hindi ko sa kanya ibibigay. So with the Eight of Wands, clarify with the Death card and the Magician, so uulit ito. I think that this relationship is in a loop of liking each other, hihinto, magpaparamdam, hihinto, makikipag-usap, hihinto. Someone needs to clarify things. Someone needs to be brave enough to actually ask what's truly happening between you and them. Or probably someone needs to bahala na kung ako'y kung maging awkward ka sa akin dahil nagsabi ko, nung nararamdaman ko, it's up to you. Basta ako nasabi ko. No? ma-awkward ka na kung ma-awkward ka, at least alam ko yung magiging sagot. So, parang ganun sana, no? Kailangan ng malakas ng loob dito. The Knight of Cups, the Queen of Cups, and the Ace of Cups. Kasi kung hindi, sayang naman. Pwede itong unti-untiin, bagalan, the Knight of Cups. Pero kasi pwede rin itong kapag walang pag-usad, walang movement, talagang nandito lang siya sa, pwede kasi dalawang kalabasan nito eh. No? Kapag walang movement, mainip yung isa, then probably turn their back on the connection and look for another one. Or kapag may umamin, magbukas yung pintuan for an opportunity na mabigyan ng ibang kulay, makapag-ride kayo ng another, sabihin natin, another level of commitment, no? At pwede ito mag-prosper. Sayang. So this is your reading. Let's check the zodiac sign of the person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. Pero bago po yan, kung kayo ay nakaka-resonate, let me know sa comment section. Kung meron po kayong mga katanungan, sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link. You're gonna be routed to my website. Nandun po yung name, number, QR code, amount per questions. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. No? Now let's check the zodiac sign of the person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I'm seeing Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, Leo, Sagittarius. Yeah, Scorpio is dominant. Aries is here. Aquarius, Capricorn, Libra, and Gemini. So this is your reading. Maraming salamat. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.